Hey, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to Molly Creations. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Indian cuisine as we explore the wonders of curry leaves. These unassuming leaves pack a punch of flavor, and we're about to uncover their secrets. Stick around to learn everything from their botanical background to creative culinary uses. Let's get started. Curry leaves, also known as kari patta, originate from the curry tree, a tropical gem native to India. Visually, they are glossy green, resembling small citrus leaves. But don't let their appearance fool you. These leaves bring a unique flavor profile to the table. Picture a dance of citrusy brightness, a touch of bitterness, and a hint of nuttiness. When you sauté them in oil, get ready for an aromatic explosion that will elevate your dish to new heights. Now, let's step into the kitchen and uncover the magic of the tadka technique. Tadka, or tempering, is a cornerstone of Indian cooking. Picture this: a hot pan, sizzling oil, mustard seeds popping, cumin seeds crackling, and the pièce de résistance, curry leaves. This process doesn't just cook. It orchestrates a symphony of flavors, infusing your dish with that unmistakable curry leaf essence. But wait, there's more. Curry leaves aren't just limited to pots and pans, they're versatile. Think curries, soups, stews, and dals. They're the unsung heroes adding depth to these dishes. And it doesn't stop there. Imagine them jazzing up your chutneys and sauces, bringing that extra layer of aroma that will have your taste buds doing a happy dance. Now, let's talk health. Beyond their culinary prowess, curry leaves bring nutritional benefits to the table. Packed with antioxidants, they're not just flavor enhancers, they're potential health boosters. In traditional medicine, they're believed to have various medicinal uses. Nature's little powerhouse, right in your kitchen. Before you rush to add curry leaves to every dish, a quick note. Fresh or dried, these leaves need proper care. Store fresh ones in the refrigerator and dried ones in a cool, dry place. And here's the kicker. While they enhance flavor, they're like the stage crew, not meant to be in the spotlight. Most often, they're removed before the final curtain call, so keep that in mind as you embark on your culinary adventures. There you have it, the lowdown on curry leaves, from their botanical beginnings to the tantalizing taste they add to your favorite dishes. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more flavorful content, and let me know in the comments how you use curry leaves in your kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!